all-in-one chicken, veg and rice is our new free recipe this week. This is a really versatile recipe. It's great for meal prepping if you want to eat super clean. Just sprinkle your favourite seasoning over the chicken and off you go. But I love this one because it's a great dish for leftover sauces. So often we get asked in the community what to do with leftover buttered chicken sauce. I like to whip this up the next night and just spoon my leftover sauce over it. You've got an entirely different dish, and this video not only covers some really helpful tips, but if you check out the website, we give you a guide on when to add different types of vegetables at different stages to get perfection. So this is how we make sure that we don't overcook any of the chicken. So to do that, I just grab a meat mallet and a bit of baking paper, because you can see here that this chicken is quite thin on one end and quite thick on the other. And I just want to lightly bash the end of the thick end of the chicken so that it's roughly all the same thickness. So let me show you now. You can see that it all is pretty much the same thickness. The trick to ensuring success with steaming chicken in the Thermomix is to have one of these. It's an instant read thermometer. Of course, if you have the sensor, you can use that as well, but it just takes the guesswork out of making sure that your chicken is properly cooked. So for chicken breasts, we want to aim for 74 degrees or 165 degrees Fahrenheit. We want to make sure that we probe it in the thickest part.